Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Fabio and this is my boyfriend guru Yani. And we're back with another video.
Today's video we're going to be reacting to Marcelito Pomoy singing on The Ellen Show!
Damn, who are you, Kardashian?
Beauty and the...
Oh, is that what he's singing?
I think so.
Look at me, I have the laptop, I don't even know what I'm doing.
So you guys know that we've been doing a lot of Instagram raid and we are gonna be still doing reactions, so please comment below what kind of videos and reactions you would like us to do. So for this one, we're gonna do Marcelito Pomoy.
Anyways, thank you so much guys for all the support. We've been growing like never before in the past week and we're so excited about it. If you sing one more time, I'll pour that boiling tea on you.
Without further ado, please subscribe to this channel and let's get right into the video.
Kristen, right? Yes. Thanks for being here. You're going to interpret and you speak a little bit of English though, right? A little bit. Okay, so I heard you'd been waiting for a call from us for a while.
Narinig daw namin na ang tagal mo maghintay ng tawag ni Ellen.
Yes, actually hindi ko talaga na-expect. And then one time may nag-message ko sa akin sa Facebook, ellentv.com. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. And
Wow,
then,
he's a
dumating
rapper
sa
when he
Skype
speaks.
Kami, hindi pa rin ako satisfied. And then one time, dumating sa akin yung ticket going to LA, Ellen.
So he said, I really didn't think that I'd ever get a chance to be here. One time I got an email
That's a
from
great interpreter,
ellentv.com,
yeah. It is.
And I still couldn't believe it. I thought it was like
I love his
spam or
outfit.
something. And I
He's
really didn't believe it
nervous.
until I got
He
the
is.
tickets in the mail.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, well, here you are.
As you all know, we love
Amazing.
Marcelito Pomoy.
Okay,
We've
so-
reacted to some of his performances already.
7 years old. So 7 years old and then hanggang 18 years old.
7 and then 18. Okay. So 7 and then 18.
So random. That was a random translation.
Oh, so then you could do the high and the low. That's when you realized you could do high and low.
Wow.
And how did you discover
Yeah, that's
Ah,
huge
Hindi
talent.
ko rin alam eh, sarili ko.
I said, I don't even
Oh,
know myself.
interesting how to
Yeah.
discover that. I'm
Kasi siguro ito
curious.
nabigay sa akin ng God. So, pinagpatuloy ko na lang.
He said, this is what God gave me, and so I just went with it.
Yeah, so God gave you this amazing gift, and I understand you were living on the street for a long time, right?
Oh.
So you
I
lived
did
on the
not know
street,
that.
and it's from the age of 7?
7 years.
7. Okay, so
Oh,
how
wow.
did you survive? What did you do on
That
the
must have
streets?
been incredibly hard.
First time ko kasing lumaya sa 7 years old and then nagtrabaho na ako ng pinboy. And then nakita ko sa pinboy ay 50 pesos, in US dollars, $1. And then yun yung nag-survive sa akin na yun pangkain ko sa araw-araw. And then natulog na ako sa kali.
So
Oh,
how I survived is that, I took jobs like being a pin boy, so where I would manually put the pins up. And they would pay me 50 pesos, which is equivalent to $1 US. And that's how I would survive to eat and get my food. And then at the end of the night, I would just sleep on the streets.
Wow,
Oh.
that's
Oh my
amazing.
God.
Okay,
Oh my
so then
goodness.
you're on the streets, and then you compete on the Philippines Got Talent, right? That's how you're discovered.
Oh.
How do you get from the streets to that?
Actually, marami na nagsabi sa akin na sumali ako.
Yeah.
So hindi ko pa rin pinapakinggan kasi hindi naman ako naniwala sa talent ko noon.
That is
Hindi
so
dumating
interesting.
Sa punto nung nag-18 years old ako.
I did not know the story of him.
siguro, ito na yung way na makita ko yung family ko.
So a lot of people tell me to enter contests and everything, but I didn't really think anything of my talent. But until I turned 18 years old, that's when I realized that maybe this is a chance where if I sing, I'll be able to see my family.
Okay, well, this is beyond amazing. I mean, I saw this video of you, and I'm so thrilled you're here. So you're going to sing for us today. What are you going to sing?
And I got
Wow.
Prayer.
All right. Thank you.
Wow.
Oh, the prayer? I thought it... Oh, so he sang 2 songs.
Oh, I
The
don't
prayer
know.
and Beauty and the Beast.
I don't know. It's a beautiful stage already.
Lead us to a place,
goosebumps.
guide us with your grace, to a place where we'll be safe.
Incredible.
Flawless head tone. Oh my god, look at everyone's reaction.
His Italian is so perfect, you have no
I'm
idea.
so proud of him. Look at everyone's reaction.
Behold within our heart, ricordarci che stars go at each night.
See how fast he has to breathe? It's so incredible.
I got goosebumps.
When shadows feel like
Even better than the one we reacted to last time.
La forza che ci dà
Wow.
mi assablai per
How is that voice possible?
I wish they could scan his throat to see what's
The transition.
happening.
Yeah, I know, the
they wanna-
transition.
you know, I almost like his female voice better.
Yeah. I like the voice too. I like the male.
Oh my goodness, he gave me goosebumps.
For real.
Damn, that's a
But-
beautiful, beautiful
I
song.
just didn't like that they seemed like they were rushing the song.
It was rushed, it was sped up.
It was a
So-
little bit sped
Right?
up.
Because he had to cut the transitions very fast this time.
I guess. Oh, but there's another song though. Let's just watch
Oh
it.
my goodness.
Let's just watch it. Beauty and the Beast.
Perfect, let's do.
Marcelito Pomoy, and so you just sang the prayer, and now you're going to sing Beauty and the Beast,
Yep.
right?
Oh.
And both from Celine
Yep.
Dion, who you love.
Yeah.
Yes.
Celine Dion is my favorite singer ever since because all the songs of the Celine Dion, lalo na yung The Prayer, is the one nagpabago ng buhay ko.
He said all Celine Dion songs are what he loves to sing, but most specifically, he loves the prayer because that's the song that changed my life.
Wow. Well,
Right,
yes,
'cause-
it's pretty amazing.
But he won,
all right,
I
you're going to
think.
sing
Oh,
for us
wow.
one more time. Okay.
Alright, good luck, Marce.
I hope they're not gonna rush it though. It was rushed.
Yeah, don't
the
rush
prayer was
it.
rushed.
Copyrights, maybe that's why they do it.
They got money to pay for it.
I know.
till the soul is tied
Oh my god.
as it can be. Pretty even friends, then somebody then
It's
Okay,
the
this
first
is
time I
good.
hear this one, right?
Yeah, I think so. Me too, I think. Okay, this is good. It's not rushed.
just a little child,
Bitch. How?
small to say the least, but a little scared.
See? I love the baritone. I love the tenor.
It's true, it's very nice that low too. It's doing the song better. I don't know if it's because he broke the ice maybe.
Was that
Or
it?
maybe because it's less rush. Oh, he had to do just a short.
Okay.
Oh, I wish it was more. I want to see more.
You probably don't have the budget for the song.
Okay, like I said, he was living on the streets from the time he was 7 years old till he was 24. He's never had
24.
vocal coaching, no voice lessons at
No
all.
vocal
And to
lessons.
have
That
voice
this
is
is just natural
unbelievable.
talent.
All the
Amazing.
reactors that are vocal coaches are gonna be shocked.
We don't need you. See?
The vocal coaches are running for their
She
money.
wants to meet you, so you're going to go to Vegas. You're going to see her show. You're going to go backstage.
Oh,
And meet her.
oh my gosh. Wow, wow, wow.
I'm so proud. I have
I'm
to take off
happy.
my shawl because I'm so proud of him. He's making me so
yeah.
proud.
I didn't know his background story because sometimes when you see a famous person, you just assume that's who they are and
Yeah.
they've always been famous. But actually, most of times we come from a very
Humble beginning.
humble, regular background, and then you just
Become a star.
become
yeah.
a star, just like
So.
us. See, we can do it. Easy. It's easy.
As it can be. Oh my gosh.
I'm higher. I'm higher than you.
Anyway, you guys, this is the day where you just wish that you are Filipino. Like, you all Filipinos right now must be so proud. Like, this is one of those moments like when Manny Pacquiao won the boxing game, moments when Pia Wurtzbach stole the crown and became Miss Universe 2015, I think. These are those moments. And Filipinos are so talented.
I know.
Like me.
Pinoy forever.
Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe and like this video if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel, and what am I saying?
And to my channel as well. I don't know
Our
what it's-
channel.
He's so
Anyway,
tired. bless
comment down
him.
below, and oh my god, I look good.
You look good.
in the camera.
Working out.
I've been working out, bitch. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you all next time. Ciao.
Peace.